these are blood oranges. So you've seen we plucked these oranges from our fruit tree, and these are very sweet. You extract the juice in many ways. Whatever the machine you have, you can cut it in half and just place it on top. You really don't need to use a sieve to filter the pulp. This one has a setting on the machine itself that you can do pulp or without pulp, and it will filter for you. I really appreciate each one of you out there who has commented and watched my videos and shared my videos. Thank you all again. And this is orange juice. So this is very nutritious juice and healthy. And cheers to you guys all. I really appreciate again each one of you watching, commenting and subscribing, viewing, sharing my channel. Thank you and bye.